assignment here requires you to practice using the pen tool to form a clipping path around an object. Now we can select it using the magic tools, the magic selection tools, the magic wand, but sometimes you need a cleaner cut, or it's not that accurate using magic wand, so there is need to use a pen tool for a clipping path. So normally I'll click P for pen, or in the toolbar here you can select this for a pen tool. And what we do is that we normally just zoom in so that we can have a clearer understanding of this, and just click and drag the best as we can to fit in this path. Okay, now in industry we want it as clean as possible, which means that you literally have to zoom in close enough to identify those pixels in there, like so, and be able to draw it with precision. It does take some form of practice. You just don't develop this quickly. This technique is especially useful when you're going around a solid object, such as a car or a motorcycle or a package. Not so for hair. For hair, you probably use the other selection tools for the magic wand and with the selection filter. So now that I've done a clipping path, make sure you close the loop from your original first point and your last point so that you can close it. So for example, if it's over here, you need to ensure that you close the loop, just like that. So once you've got your clipping path here, you can review this using paths. That's a work path. By double clicking on it, you can save the path. Alright, so when you click off it, the path is still saved here. Now the one good thing about Adobe is that you can export this path into Illustrator as well, because it is a vector art. So what do we do with this particular artwork in Photoshop using clipping paths? So again, using your command key on your keyboard, when you hold it down and you drift across this path, you'd see that you can make a selection. So if you click on this and release, it's now made it into selection. So we can extract this piece of artwork from this particular image. So what I normally do is that I would like to add in a bit of a feather under the selection tool, a bit of a feather around 1 pixel maybe, and then I can pull it out by doing Command J, and it pulls it out nicely and neatly. So therefore you can add in any background that you feel like. It can be a solid background, maybe there. You can add a gradient, but then again, I'm probably showing off right now. So yeah, so that's how you use a pen tool to utilize a clipping path. You can generate as many clipping paths if you like. If you needed to go and cut a hole out of here, you can also add into the same clipping path on here as well, so you can edit it. Anytime you want to edit, just go back to your paths, click on it, use your white pointer arrow, which is your direct selection, and you can click it back on here and edit it however you like. Alright, good luck.